Hello, I'm now entering into the HHO production, and my goal is to try to reduce or increase the mileage of my car. And this is a unit I've created. It's based on a Super Ringer 2.0, and this is the first prototype of plates arrangement. I'm first testing with aluminum plates, and then I'll try with other type of materials, but I'll first make these tests with aluminum, then maybe go to stainless steel. I'm using a 12 volt power supply, then that can output 5 amp maximum. I'm here with amp meter. I'm running this with 3.8 to 4 amps, and this is the result, the first result. Turn it on. As you can see, I instantly have bubbles on the bubbling side here, and the production is on this other pot or container. And as you can see, I have a very nice, not that much, but using aluminum soft cans, pop can, it's reasonable amount of HHO being produced, and at 3.79 amps. I'm using here I need to use tap water. I don't want to use distilled water. I need to use tap water, and I've placed it, or it's mixed with 1 teaspoon of kitchen salt, just salt, and here is the result so far. I don't have soap in here, so let me put a little bit of soap to make more bubbles, and I'll show the results of to prove that is really HHO that is forming here. And let's see the bubbling explosion. Well, as you can see, it's really producing HHO at a reasonable amount. I'm running with 3.7 volts, 3.8 amps at 12 volts. The potentiometer here, it's on the minimum or maximum resistance, is a 50k per pot, and I have here just 4 plates of aluminum from soft can. There are 2 plates on it's a sandwich of 4 plates. The inner plates are the negative ones, and the 2 others are the positive ones. So again, just to show that is really HHO being produced. And now I will proceed with other configuration of the plates, maybe adding 4 more plates. I don't know how many more. I will try to make something. Oh, I'm out of gas. So this is my prototype setup for HHO production, just to test the what type of electrolyte I'm going to use and the type of plates I will use to install in my car, and after I have to find another type of container for the plates and another type of bubbling. But I'm already testing this with the Super Winger 2.0 as a circuit for the HHO cell, and it's I would consider this a reasonable amount of HHO. I just want to increase the mileage of my car and to learn more about HHO production. As you can see, the amperage begins to decrease while the amount of HHO increase. This I notice is based on the temperature of the water. As the water gets hotter, the amperage gets lower and the bubbling gets stronger bubbling. And here we are, the first prototype of HHO production. The rest of the video is what's inside this box, the testing circuit. And thank you for watching, and the next video probably will be of a new type of plates. I'll try to use more plates on the cell, inside the wet cell, to learn more about the relation between the number of plates and the amount of amperage that it needs to run. Well, that proves that is really HHO being produced with Super Winger 2.0 at 3.6 amps now. Just one more time. Let me just make few more bubbles, and one more explosion. Well, again, this is my first tests ever on HHO production. I'm really interested on producing this HHO to run in my car. Okay, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.